Hey, Coach Tim Ernst here. If you've happened to land on this page because you're looking for more details on how to do the keto diet to get healthy and lose weight, you've come to the right place. Now, before I give you the details on how to use the keto diet properly to lose weight, I just want to briefly introduce myself. If you've never heard of me before, I'm an intermittent keto fasting coach who has helped hundreds of men and women from all over the world to lose 40 plus pounds of belly fat in just 16 weeks. If you have heard of me before, maybe you've seen, watching some of my videos, you've seen some of my client before and after transformations, including my very own transformation, where I lost 70 pounds in 7 months flat using my time-tested F40 keto fat loss formula. Yes, you heard that right, 70 pounds in just 7 months. Look, most of the internet fitness coaches you see online have been in shape their entire lives and really don't know the struggle of being overweight. I do know the struggle because I was 70 pounds overweight, and the only reason why I was so out of shape is because I love freaking food just as much as the next guy. So let me just ask you, does food have control over your life? Are you unsure as to how to eat properly to lose belly fat? Do you suffer from pre-diabetes, high cholesterol, high blood pressure, heart disease, low energy, sleep apnea? Do you deal with knee and back problems? Have you tried so many diets where you lost the weight, but then you put it all back on? And finally, are you just sick and tired of being fat? If you've answered yes to any of these questions, keep watching. You see, in order to have a permanent physical transformation, you need to know and understand these vital 3 things, okay? Number 1, you need to have the right workout, the right nutrition using a combination of keto and intermittent fasting, and most importantly, you got to get accountability so you can stay consistent and motivated towards reaching your weight loss goal. It's that simple. If you're missing even just one of these 3 things, you're not gonna get great results. I can promise you that. So with that said, I wanna help you out, okay? At the bottom of this video, you'll see a button to schedule a free 60-minute strategy call. On this call, we will discuss 3 major things. Number 1, we're gonna talk about how it is for you right now. What's your current reality? What's working? What's not working? Everything you've tried so far. And once I'm clear about what's really going on, then I'll know what we have to work with and what it's gonna actually take to help you reach your weight loss goal. Number 2, we're gonna get super clear about where you wanna go and what results you're after. Because the clearer I am about where you wanna go, the easier it's gonna be for me to help you get a plan together. And number 3, once I know where you are and where you wanna go, we're gonna identify all those roadblocks, all those things that are stopping you so we can turn that into an action plan. And finally, based on all that information, we'll create a clear action plan that you could start using today so you could start rapidly moving towards your weight loss goals. So if that sounds good to you, just click the button right below this video to book your free 60-minute strategy call while I have spots available in my calendar. I mean, why waste any more time struggling along trying to figure things out for yourself? You've been doing that already. How's it really working for you? You can save this time and get much better results when you get my expert advice and use my blueprint to lose belly fat in just 16 weeks. It's like a shortcut that will get you in better health, reverse any health issues that you may be dealing with, lose belly fat so you can add years to your life. So, are you ready to lose belly fat in the shortest time possible and actually keep it off this time? Then claim your free 60-minute strategy call while you can by clicking the button below, and I'll see you on the other side.